Okay, we don't know what this is. Not a caliper, that's what you said. I'm thinking like a gear and then something else in there.
Yeah, so you know more parts than I do.
Don't poke yourself with your shirt. Looks like tools. Yep. That's what was rattling on tool.
Yeah, there's no way I would have guessed that.
Well, I knew it was something was solid in there, so this is solid in the box, and this is rattling inside.
Is that something new for the mill?
Then we got a tap in here too. A couple taps. I don't know what that is. What is all that crap? What's that do?
I know what machine it goes on.
My hand drill? It's heavy. Doesn't look like it's carbide though, but made in China.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Garbage. Feels heavy for the metal, but it's a lot of it here. So what's that do?
Hones out.
Hones? What's it honing? Honing is abrasive material. That's not a hone. It's a cutter.
I don't know. It cuts out a shaft somewhere.
Is this a radius form cutter? That means it cuts a radius. So you want a radius on this? Cut it right there. It makes a big radius all the way down. You want to cut,
okay.
You want to cut out a rocker box like this after you weld it all up. You want to put the radius back on it. Cut right here. Cut right on there. It cuts a nice radius.
Oh, that's how it's done.
You got a big chunky case like a Deltron that looks like crap. Because a big square.
Right.
I'll come along that and knock the edge down a little bit. Soften up a little bit.
Okay. Moving on.
So
Continuing.
These are sealed. Get in here. That's a tap. What'd you buy? It's used because I can see how the marks are rubbed off. Let's see. What is that? It says 9/16/18.
Nice.
That doesn't look like a cutting tab. It looks like a chasing tab. See how many flutes it is? Doesn't look like it actually is cutting anything. So it might be a. Usually it says.
What, to clean it?
Yeah, to clean up your threads, but not cut threads. It reforms them back into size. It's made in Japan. No, it's not Japan. It's fucking Jarvis, USA. It's USA made. JRVIS, Jarvis. Can't read what that says, but some numbers. So that might be a rechasing tab. I don't know. If they don't tell you what they are, I don't know. If I went back and looked at the auction, I bid all this stuff, I'd figure out why I bought it. Probably had this with it, and this taps came with it probably. And this is like about a 5/16. So this is a spiral tap. So when the chip goes in, it'll spiral up on you. Comes out in big things like that, nice and even. CNC taps, because see they're all undercut. So they're done for power tapping in. So they don't get all stuck up with thread, and they have room for the crap to come out, the debris to come out. Now this is a drill and a tap, but not done a point. That's weird. Why would they make a drill out here? See, it's got like drill flutes, so let the stuff come out real easy. So that's a variation. It's the next design past this one. So you get the effect going here, and this one they just carried it through even more. So it's like a drill bit. You see, just powered that tap big time through it. And they look like they're same size, same thread. So those are kind of weird looking taps. But you know, American made crap, they don't know what they're doing. If it was good stuff, we made in China.
Wow.
You didn't believe that one?
I'm not buying it.
Didn't go for that one, huh? Yeah, they're proud of it. China! Yeah, I'm not sure. This is a weird one here. So it looks like a chasing tab. See how there's no room for flutes to, it won't clean. It's going to load up. See, it's not made for cutting. I think that's going to be fixing the thread. So 9/16/18 is that's an oversized drain plug on a Sportster. I don't know what they'll use the 9/16s for. But there you go. And that came from eBay. Some free stuff included from Rick. Thanks, Rick.
Thanks, Rick.
Mighty Bite Products LLC. There you go. Work holding specialist. All right. So I ordered this, and I got this for free.
Oh, that's cool.
So there you go. Yeah, this is weird stuff. I don't remember ordering anything like this. I remember ordering that. So sometimes you get an auction, they got stuff more than one thing you get, but in this
Right.
case, he just threw in stuff to get rid of it. Probably stuff that just doesn't sell. But it's good stuff. It looks nice. That one's definitely used. These ones here, these don't look like they're used. They definitely look brand new on the threads, but this one looks new too. But I can
Very
see
cool.
But I see it's been spun, so I know it was locking up. The chuck they had wasn't holding very good. They didn't have the drive off of here. They just pinched it off the collet, so it's spinning. It's probably why they didn't use it anymore. It didn't work. You have to drive it. With a CNC, you need to drive it hard so it doesn't have any slippage. Because when you slip like that, it screws up how much you're going down and stuff. So. All right, there you go.
That's what I got to get, the tap kit.